The exhaust system is not the only thing that sounds fantastic in this GTI. Let's check out the Harman Kardon sound settings. You'll have your sound settings tab on your home screen, and when you click on it here, then you would be able to adjust the different sound settings that are available to you, the subwoofer, different things like that. You also have presets down here with different options as well, and when you click through between those, then you would have the preset set to however that one is already set. Then you also can customize them or reset them back. So whenever you mess with them here, then you can just click on this one and do a full reset, basically all back to baseline. You also have a sound focus. So you'll have 3 different tabs under that sound focus. You'll have your balance fader, which will basically enable you to adjust the sound anywhere into the vehicle. Then you can just put it right back there in the center. You'll have sound focus, which right now it looks like it's on all. So when you unclick that, it will take off either the front or the back. So if you want more sound settings in the front, the back, or all of them, then you can unclick those ones. Then you also have your surround. So your surround will be coming from pretty much everywhere. As you are on lower, which right now it is, you'll have more stereo sound. And then if you make it higher, then you'll basically get that surround sound more extreme there. And then you have volume. So when you're under the volume tab, you'll have voice operation. So
voice operation volume.
When you adjust those, then it's going to give you the option to either be higher or lower anytime you're going to use the voice operations and talk to your vehicle with either Hello Volkswagen, or if you see there, it just sends that. So that will be the volume of that voice operation. And then you also have a speed dependent volume increase. So as you go faster, your volume goes louder. As you slow down, the volume goes lower when you're driving. Then you also have maximum startup volume. So this one will be how loud you want the car system to sound as you turn the vehicle on. Then you also have an infotainment system, so it will lower when you're parking. So anything that you're listening to, whether you're on the radio, you're in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, it will lower that infotainment system that's playing when you're going to put the vehicle into a park mode. Then you also have voice guidance. So this is active now, and you can do either comprehensive, brief, notification tone only, or you can even have it off there too. And then during calls, if you would like to have your notifications voiced over, if you're on a call, then you can have that on or have that off, and then this would be the volume that she would alert you at. Then you also have a lower infotainment volume during voice guidance. So if you do get into those settings and you do talk to your Volkswagen and you would like it to answer you back, if you're listening to your music and then you activate that voice activation and operation, then it's going to lower your music that you're listening to, and then it's going to raise the voice that they're responding to you at, and then that is pretty much how the lower infotainment volume during voice guidance will work. And then you can just go back in between the tabs, and you also have a settings feature down here as well. So this one is switched off, so it would have a touch screen tone. So when you go back and forth between different options, now it's going to give you that sound. And then tone for other buttons and a hand gesture tone. So what the hand gesture would do is when you use your hands to swipe up anything on the screen, then it would give you a tone there as well. And that pretty much wraps up all of the sound and volume tabs. That pretty much wraps it up for the 2024 Golf GTI.